Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming internet connectivity and administrator access so nothing blocks installation. Once done, download and run the Anydesk installer and accept prompts. This registers the client. Make sure to note the 9-digit address or custom alias shown in the app. You will share that with the person connecting. If you prefer not to install, run the portable version for one-time use. These steps get you into the app and ready to accept or make a connection. With Anydesk open, type the remote address into the remote desk field and click Connect. This sends a session request. While waiting, explain to the other user which permissions you need, clipboard, file transfer, or full control so they can grant them. Once accepted, immediately open the permissions panel and toggle what's necessary. This prevents later interruptions. Also check session settings like display quality and input mode to balance responsiveness. After permission is granted, use the toolbar to transfer files, copy clipboard content, toggle view modes, or switch input control. When finished, click Disconnect and confirm the session ended. Then verify unattended access isn't enabled unless you intentionally set it. If the connection fails, first check firewall rules and router NAT for blocked ports. Then confirm both peers use the exact Anydesk ID or alias and updated client versions. Restarting Anydesk or the laptop often clears temporary networking or permission issues and restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.